Katie here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tier list video and we are doing fighting type Pokemon. So our tiers are S, A, B, C, and D. We're going to start with Mankey and Primeape, who I'm putting under B. Poliwrath is going to go under A. Machop, Machoke, Machamp are all going under B. This Gigantamax is going under D. Galarian Farfetch is going under A. These ones do not belong here. These belong down. Okay. Hitmonlee and Hitmonchan are going to go under C. The Combat Breed Taurus, Blaze Breed Taurus, and Aqua Breed Taurus are all going under A. Galarian Zapdos is going under A. Mega Mewtwo X is going under A. Heracross and Mega Heracross are going under C. We have Hisuian Sneasel, which is going under A. Tyrogue and Hitmontop are going under C. Combuskin, Blaziken, and Mega Blaziken are going under B. Breloom is going under B. Makuhita and Hariyama are going under A. Meditite, Medicham, Mega Medicham are going under C. Monferno, Infernape, and those are going under A. We have Mega Lopunny, which is going under B. We have Lucario and Mega Lucario. Oh, there's something missing there. Oh, and Riolu. Riolu, Lucario, and Mega Lucario are all going under A. Croagunk and Toxicroak are going under B. Gallade and Mega Gallade are going under B as well. Arceus is going under C. Pignite and Emboar are going under A. Timber, Girder, Conkeldurr are going under A. Throw and Sock are going under C. Hisuian Lilligant is going under A. Scraggy and Scrafty are going under B. Mianfu and Mianshao are going under B. Cobalion is going under A. Terrakion is going under A. Virizion is going under A. Ordinary Form Keldeo and Resolute Form Keldeo are both going under S. I love the unicorns. Pirouette Form Meloetta is going under A. Chestnut is going under A. Pancham is going under A. Pangaro is going under S. Halucha is going under B. Hisuian Decidui is going under A. Crabballer and Crabominable. Crabballer is going under C, and the Crabominable is going under B. Stuffle and Beware are going under A. Passimian is going under A. Then we have Hakamo and Komo that are going under A. Buzzwole is going under B. Pheromosa is going under B. Marshadow is going under S, or A, sorry, my bad, A. Clobopus is going under S, and Graplocked is going under A. So that one's going under A, this one's going under S. Surfetched is going under A. Then we have Phalanx is going under B. Hero of Many Battles, Zamazenta, and Crown Shield Zamazenta are both going under A. Kubfu, Single Strike Urshifu, and Rapid Strike Urshifu. Kubfu and the Single Strike are going under A, and the other one is going under B. So that one's going under B. These two are going under A. And then we have these Gigantamax, which of course I'm putting under D. Sneasler is going under B. Quackable is going under A. Palma and Palma are going under S. I just think they are so adorable. Then we have Flamigo is going under C. Annihilate is going under A. Great Tusk is going under C. Slitherwing is going under C. Iron Hands is going under B. Iron Valiant is going under B. And Koraidon is going under A. So that is my fighting type Pokemon tier list. If you want to make your own, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure you check out the other Pokemon type tier lists. I will link the playlist at the end of this video, because this is the last one in the mini series that I've been doing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.